Alright everyone, it is that time of the month again. And not that time of the month, but the time of your month where my room is just a pigsty again. And if you remember, I posted a video a few weeks ago cleaning my room. And it looks like garbage again. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like now, and then we're gonna clean this shit together. Alright, so this is the desk, the floor by the desk, the bookshelves, the books, the bookshelf, the bed, the closet, which we're not even gonna touch, vanity, the floor, this, like, it's not okay. If you guys remember, this corner was a mess. I kind of cleaned that up. That's gonna get thrown away, and that's gonna get thrown in the laundry. But you know, some progress, but not where it has to be. And it's after Christmas now, so I have like gifts here that I have to like put away, but I'm gonna put them in the DoorDash bag over there so I can film a video on what I got for Christmas soon. So I'm gonna stop procrastinating and we're gonna clean my room. Here we go. Here is the overview of the room. Much cleaner. Those are the things I need to haul for what I got for Christmas. That's 3D clothes, but my clothes are in the wash right now, so that's going to be cleaned next week. The dresser, desk, bookshelves. It just looks so much nicer. I can walk in it, which is bizarre. Like, who would have ever thought to walk in your room? I don't know, me neither. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you aren't already subscribed, please do. It'll help me out a lot because my goal for 2020 is to become monetized. Please like this video if you liked it because it helps me out a lot. Comment down below any other videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.